Welcome to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. What does a recipe for learning look like? Keep watching to find out. Recipes in the kitchen make for delicious meals that we can cherish for a lifetime. We know that recipes need essential ingredients to make every part of the meal something to remember. EduKitchen believes that we can, together with students, develop recipes for learning to help improve their understanding. A recipe for learning includes 3 important main ingredients. Enthusiasm. Yes. Confidence. You know it. Patience. Keep at it. Don't give up. Let's see how much of the rest of these ingredients you need to add. Problem solving. Always important. Communication. Remember, kindness matters. Organization. Always helpful. Time management works wonders. Let's look at some steps on how to build your recipe for learning. Begin with enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is in all of us. We just have to recognize its potential. Add confidence. Believe that nothing can stand in your way and that you can and will achieve greatness. Sprinkle with that always helpful organization. Where is your happy place for studying? Remember, use social media with caution. Include some quiet time. Consider the time you are most productive. Are you an early bird or a night owl? Fold in your problem-solving skills. When problem-solving, recognize what you know, what you need to find out, and how you solve that need. Season well with communication. Allow yourself to ask questions when you don't understand, or offer help when you are able to share what you know with others. Remember, positive words only. Now blend all the previous ingredients with patience. Patience and allowing for mistakes as you study will help you grow in learning and understanding. The focus of our learning from what we need to learn to how we need to learn, we can understand why we need to learn it. And if for nothing else, it is just to make us better at problem solving, which we need to recognize is a very important life skill. Think about how many problems you solve in one day. Too many. Finally, remember that if we build our enthusiasm for knowledge through patience, we gain the necessary confidence to do well in our daily studies. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. For more great videos like this, please check out our other videos over here. And remember, until next time, keep learning and have fun.